Hi guys, Kat here. Tonight I'm making some vegetarian egg rolls, meatless egg rolls. It's very simple, very easy, so let's begin. Okay, so what I have here is a bowl of the filling, egg roll fillings. So basically it's vermicelli bean thread noodles, shredded carrots, shredded cabbage, dried fungus mushroom, which looks like this, comes like this. You can find this at your Asian grocery stores. What you do is soak this in warm water until it softens up. And then I also have in here some white onion, seasoned it with some mushroom seasoning, mushroom bouillon. Okay, this is a brand that I like. MSG, black pepper, white pepper, and garlic powder. That's all I seasoned it with. Okay, and now this is ready to be wrapped. You're gonna need egg roll wrappers. You can use any of these brands; they will work. Okay, this one, or this one. Okay, any of these brands will work. I'm using this one first. Okay, so let's roll them up. Oh, to seal the egg rolls, you're gonna need this. This is tapioca flour. I just use a tablespoon of tapioca, mix it with 1 cup of water, and then cook this on stovetop until the consistency is gooey, sticky like this. Okay? Okay, let's roll. Get our egg roll wrapper, maybe like that. Take some of the filling. You don't want too much, otherwise, oops, it's gonna be a fat egg roll. Okay, kinda do like that. Tuck in the end, and then roll tightly as you can. Okay, then tuck in the ends. Like that. Okay, and then roll again, tight as you can. Okay, and then once it's like that, you want to take the tapioca flour and just spread it on like that. Okay, and then seal it tight. Okay, let's do another one. Yeah. Okay. Roll. Tight. Tuck it in. Roll again as tight as you can. Okay. That. Take the tapioca flour and seal it up. Just like that. Okay, and these are now ready to be deep fried. All right. Okay, so I got some corn oil on here for deep frying. I'm gonna use a chopstick, and if you stick it in there, oil, and if you see it bubbling, then the oil is ready, okay? That's how you tell. Okay, I'm gonna fry up egg rolls. Okay guys, you want to fry it until it's golden and crispy, okay? Okay, and I like to use a bowl and then make them stand up so it stays crispier that way. Okay, this normally takes about 5 to 7 minutes to fry up, guys. Voila! crispy golden vegetarian egg rolls. Make sure that it stands up like this in a bowl so that it stays crispier longer, guys. So just place a napkin in the bowl and then make them stand up like this. Okay, I'm gonna let this cool down a bit before I taste it for you guys. Okay. Okay, guys, let's give it a taste. Look at that. Crunchy on the outside. And the flavor, the filling, delicious. Delicious, guys. All right, guys. Please give this recipe a try, and we'll see you next time. Bye. Oops, one more thing, guys. I forgot to mention. If you want a yummy egg roll sauce to go with this, check below this video. I will leave a link for the recipe for a yummy egg roll sauce that will go with this. Okay? Thanks, guys. See you next time. Bye.